I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. Setting up a payment plan with the IRS can seem daunting, but it is actually pretty straightforward. Here is how to do it step by step. Step 1. Visit the IRS website. Go to the official IRS website at www.irs.gov. This is the starting point for accessing all IRS services, including payment plans. Step 2. Navigate to payment plans. Once on the homepage, look for the Pay tab in the main menu. Hover over it and select the installment agreement from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Choose your payment plan type. You will see options for different types of payment plans. Select the one that best fits your situation, such as a short-term payment plan or a long-term installment agreement. Step 4. Fill out the application. Complete the online application form with your personal and financial information. Make sure to double-check your entries, especially your social security number and income details, as errors can delay the process. Step 5. Review and submit. After filling out the application, review all the information for accuracy. Once everything looks good, submit the application. You should receive a confirmation number. Keep it for your records. Setting up a payment plan with the IRS doesn't have to be complicated. Just follow these steps, and you will be on your way to managing your tax payments more easily. Good luck!